Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2022 Honda CBR500R twin-cylinder lightweight sport bike, fuel-injected, liquid-cooled. This is the ABS model, only 3,840 miles, beautiful condition. It's got the smoke windshield, frame sliders. It's got the tail kit. Tires are in excellent shape, just serviced. Come on by, make your lightweight sport bike dreams come true. This gorgeous 22 Honda CBR500R, only $71.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com. Where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.